Hello, Masters! After a long break, we're finally back with another video. Today, I have an interesting topic for you. Let's dive in. We are going to create this video and text background effect using Elementor. Let's get started. First, create our main container with full size. And set the video as a background for this container. I enter the YouTube link of the background video. You can upload your own video also. Now add a container inside this. Set the background color to black. Add some paddings. Now, as you can see, we have some extra heights. To fix that, we need to reduce the padding values from height. Select Custom Height and set the height 100 VH minus 20 pixels. Now let's add our titles. Now we move to our important step, the background effect. For that, we need to add a small CSS code to our black container. Now we successfully got our effect. To make more look, I am going to add another layer. And make this container position to absolute for move it to up if you have any other sections on top. You can also just set negative 100% height value to margin top. Now let's add a tagline text inside it. And finally, this is our output. Now let's do responsive optimization. Click this icon and move to mobile screen. First, we need to enable the video to play on phone screens. Then do some size changes for mobile screens to our texts. And that's it, guys. Our design was responsive now. What topics should I cover in my upcoming videos? Comment your ideas below. I will make videos on them.